What up, y'all? Gonna talk some morning motivation. And speaking of morning motivation, right now it's too sunny outside, man. We in Florida. It's the summertime, and it never fails. It is super hot. But, man, I just want to thank God right now and just motivate everybody. I'm not where I want to be yet. I'm definitely highly ambitious, and I'm trying to get to a certain point in my life to where I feel accomplished, you know what I'm saying? And that being said, you know, whatever you feel like is your point where you could say, hey man, I'm accomplished, I made it this far, da 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 da. Don't never give up, man. Keep pushing till you get there, you know what I'm saying? And you gotta just strive for better, you know what I'm saying? Do not just rest in your area of where you at, you know what I'm saying? And the biggest thing you could do, the best thing you could do is work on your mindset, work on your mentality, work on everything that is gonna put you in a better state of mind, really. And then everything else gonna follow, because really and truly, what's the point in having a great tool that you don't know how to use? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you can get into the best physical condition and eat all the right food and all this and stuff, all that stuff, but really it's what's in your mind, you know what I'm saying, that's the most important. So I just want y'all, and I ain't trying to go on no whole mental health rant, because some of y'all be so soft because y'all be complaining about y'all mental health when really y'all just be weak as I don't know what. But just get your life together, really, you know what I'm saying? Stop being a complainer and whatnot, you know. I keep seeing these videos on Instagram and these people barely got 2 arms and stuff, and they still out there working, throwing stuff on the trucks and whatnot, and then some of y'all won't get up and do what you're supposed to do for yourself, you know what I'm saying? And no, I'm not out here exercising. So what's going on is I'm over here at Monterey Boats, and my guy's taking care of a vehicle, and I'm walking down here to the airport down here because I like flying airplanes. So I'm about to go look and see why all that's going on. But in the meantime, in between time, y'all know what to do. If y'all watching this and you local, hit up Winning Edge Carwash for all your mobile detailing necessities, needs, whatever, however you want to say it. And we gonna pull up on you and make that happen. And I want to tell everybody, you know, hey, you know, if you're looking to what's the name, start a business or whatever, man, do that, man. And if you need some advice or help or whatever, be sure to hit me up. Like, I'm easy to find. Just check out Winning Edge Carwash and ask for Bryan. You gonna get me. But I'm gonna tell y'all, man, and this is why I can't really be listening to people complain and whatnot, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna tell you straight up, man, don't let these people fool you. Like, y'all, they talking about a recession, they talking about monkeypox and all this other bull crap, man. Go look outside, bro. Ain't nobody really dropping like flies. Everybody gonna get sick like normal. People go to the doctor for a reason. Like, come on, man, don't let them spook you. And if it's such a recession, why y'all still buying this high gas? It will be a lot less traffic on the road. It seems like it's more traffic on the road right now, more than ever. People still at the store buying up everything. You know, like, it ain't miss no beat. The line at Walmart stay long. So don't let nobody fool you and act like it ain't no money out here. And that being said, don't let nobody, when you start your business, don't let nobody sell you no BS story talking about they ain't got it. They ain't got it because they being lazy too, and then get into this money. And don't make it all about the money, man. You got, especially y'all women. Y'all women, what's the name right now? That's all y'all care about, man, is money. You know what I'm saying? And it's like, really and truly, y'all forgetting the main component. Build with somebody, even if it ain't a man. You know, learn how to partnership, learn how to, be selfless. You know, Stop being selfish and whatnot. Because at the end of the day, you could have $1 million, but you can't buy no $2 million building with your $1 million. But you go find somebody else with that same $1 million, and then y'all could go flip that building for $5 million. But because you being selfish and you want it all to yourself, you ain't gonna get the 3. So bet that up, man. I'm telling you, it's all about mindset. It's all about what's the name, putting your pride to the side, doing what's right. Good morning. I saw your sign. Okay, that business coming in. So hey man, yeah, I wanted to what's the name, just say a little something, morning motivation for everybody. And y'all check me out. If y'all haven't subscribed or liked any of my videos on YouTube or me detailing, make sure you go do that. You know, it's free. It might take a little bit of your time, but I'm sure you're wasting time doing something else, like watching these baddies on Instagram or whatever. And all you women watching these dudes with these hoochie daddy shorts, whatever the fuck they is. I'm just be real. But yeah, man. Hopefully I catch y'all on the beat somewhere, doing something cool. Probably going out tonight. I don't know. Holla at me. Tell me what it is.